Well, this is Terry O'Leary, and he is here to pick up the machine that they dropped off quite some time ago. Matter of fact, they dropped it off back in November of 2021. So it's been a long road. But I was going to click through these photos so that all of you can see kind of the condition that this machine was in when it arrived. Very, very rough. Kind of click through these and you can check them out. So a lot of rust going on with this machine at the time of arrival.
It's amazing.
And I approached this project with the idea of preservation rather than restoration. It was kind of a mix of both, but any of the original pieces I wanted to try to preserve. So you'll notice that, you know, they're not crystal bright, shiny, brand new looking, but they're brought back to a state where they really reflect the machine well, I think.
That's what happens when it sits in a basement for 60 years.
60 years in a basement will do that. And that's the oil pan down there. I repainted that as well, and so the entire machine is ready to sit out for display. This was a machine that was not set up with a project to be working. It was a display. It's going to be more of a display machine, but I've got it set up so that it certainly creates that look. And I'll stop there because the pictures kind of reveal it. So anyway, you ready to see her?
I'm ready to see it. Oh, that's amazing. That is amazing. My wife is going to love it.
And I put a little bit of leather underneath the presser foot. These are the original plates. Got all of the rusting and pitting off of there, but you can still see the, you know, there's some texturing on the metal just because of the damage that had occurred. But what a beautiful, beautiful showpiece she is now.
Yep, she'll love it.
And then I restained the base as well and kind of cleaned that up, and so it's all set to go. I don't know, where are you going to be displaying this machine?
It's going to sit on a hutch that was brought over from Italy from her grandmother.
Oh, really? Okay. So was this her grandmother's machine then?
Yes.
Okay, and so it's been in the family forever.
Forever. Yep.
Forever and ever and ever. All right, well, I hope Cindy likes it.
I'm sure she will.
And if you ever need one done again,
Come south, huh?
come south. Come south. So anyway, again, this is Terry, and just trying to see again. Yeah, this is November 9th, 2021. So a very long project, but finally heading home. And you folks are down near Appleton, right?
That's correct.
Okay. All right. Well, take care, everybody. This is what workshop magic looks like. Take care. See ya.